from start to finish, waterproofing and wall pushback.
Kansas City clay soil plus water solder pressure. That hydrostatic pressure is what's really causing your leaks and bowing walls. This is how you actually fix it. Water intrusion doesn't start inside your basement. It starts outside. That's why the process begins with excavation. We carefully excavate the clay soil around the foundation to relieve the pressure off the wall and reach the root of the problem. Digging was the easy part. Now we take on the pressure and push this wall back where it belongs. This basement wall had braces installed by another company, but the pressure continued. Therefore, after the excavation, we had to push the wall back so the braces could be reinstalled properly. We are performing a wall pushback to carefully move the wall closer to its original position. As you can see, we restored the structure. Now we're adjusting the existing braces to ensure they provide proper support. Adjusting the braces after a wall pushback is one of the most important parts of the stabilization process, because it allows the support system to properly engage the corrected wall position and continue resisting future movement over time. We make sure the basement braces are tight and aligned before sealing them with concrete for better protection. Now we're digging for sump pump basin. This system is designed not just to collect water, but to actively protect the home long term.
The basin plays a key role here.
It's where groundwater is collected and managed, allowing the sump pump to efficiently remove water before it ever becomes a problem. All of our sump pumps come with a battery backup, with alarms that provide real-time awareness of how the system is performing. This is a system that keeps the basement dry, protects the structure, and prevents costly damage down the line.
Wall corrected, now we protect it.
A properly cleaned and prepped surface ensures the waterproofing bonds tight, creating a system backed by Pier's lifetime warranty. Then we applied waterproofing membrane to the exterior surface. This creates a protective barrier that helps keep water from penetrating the foundation walls. Backfilling starts with 80% gravel to promote proper drainage. Each layer is done with precision to protect the system and maintain the stability of the soil around the home. Here we are digging to install a sump pump discharge line to carry the water away from the foundation. This system removes water collected by the sump pump, pushing it safely away from the foundation through a discharge line. We ensure that the slope of the discharge leads water away from the foundation. The area is graded to ensure water flows away from the foundation, because the proper waterproofing system depends on proper drainage. Excess dirt is hauled away and disposed of off-site. We are finishing the sump pump install, working on the exterior discharge line. The surface is finally level, and seeding with mulch is added to restore the yard, helping the grass grow back. Waterproofing is more than a repair. It's long-term protection for your home from the ground up. Don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel. We post daily educational videos to help homeowners spot problems early and protect their homes.